So, the new seats are in, and I absolutely love them. But they've come with their little their little tweaks, the little things we gotta fix. Almost said twerks. Guess what's on my mind. So today we're gonna go by Dodge real quick because I was expecting the seatbelt light, so we pulled the harness out of the driver's seat, so we never got that code. I was expecting the airbag light. What I wasn't expecting was my telescoping steering wheel stopped working. So we're gonna go see what they tell us. So for those of you who don't know what the hell I'm talking about, with the new seats, they're a little lower down, they're a little more sturdy. I want to be able to move the wheel, right? But from what Dodge is telling me, it may be an electrical issue. I may need to check fuses. So usually, just a little switch right there. Nothing's happening. No movement. So we'll go see what they got to say. Let's get out of here. So I was hoping it was going to be something simple like, hey, you know, we'll fix it. They were super cool about it. I mean, pulled right into service, got handled instantly. Shout out to McKinney Dodge. A couple of guys are really interested in the car, who would have guessed. But one guy came out, one of the tech advisors, and he plugged in his stuff, and I made sure, I was very adamant about don't flash my ECM or my PCM. And he was like, yeah, I wouldn't do that to you. But he showed all the lights are on right now because of seatbelt in the second seat, and because we didn't wire that up. We literally just pulled off the bracket and hooked up the seatbelt clicker. And then he was like, you might want to go home and check your fuses because he doesn't think that anything that we've done should be affecting that. So it could be one of two things. It could be a fuse, electrical issue, or the motor end is burnt out, which would be really weird to me because I never use it. So keep you updated on that. I mean, I put it on the forums and nobody seemed to really have an answer, so I think I can speak confidently here and say that one of the biggest eyesores for LX owners is the Overflow expansion tank. So for those of you who don't know what I'm talking about, we're talking about this guy right here. See how just discolored and just not good it looks? Well, my guys, my guys at MIshimoto told me they had a way to fix this. So let's check and see what they sent me. Boom. Team Mishi, my boys, I am a Team MIshimoto driver. Got me some decals. Oh, there's chili. I always gotta show chili off. Brochures. Ooh, peeking. A beautiful new expansion tank. Plug. Look at the welds on this. So this is a direct bolt-on to replace this guy. So instead of just garbage looking plastic, we will have some chrome in there. I will more than likely paint it either black or maybe we'll do gold, match it all together. Why not? It's literally a direct bolt-on, just it's more of a look thing. Plus it's going to be a lot more durable than the plastic, because I've actually seen people that have some of the older model LXs and this thing likes to crack. That's not fun for anybody. Plus, I mean, let's be serious, it's just hideous. One of the cooler features on this guy, oh my god, excuse me, is this right here. So right here, see you got the cold fill line, and oh, we see where your coolant is. Well, you don't always need to know where your coolant is unless you have issues leaking, okay? One of the cooler things this has is on the inside right there. Come on, focus. Ugh. Well, it has a cold fill line right there. See how it says cold? So that's a good way to know always where your coolant line is. Now remember, don't be ridiculous and try to open this thing right after you stop the vehicle. That's just not intelligent. So, new coolant expansion tank from MIshimoto. It is beautiful. Not knocking on any of the other companies that just put a cover on this, but especially with the stuff I'm doing, I need longevity. That's going to do it. Just listen to that construction. So, I will put the link in the description below on how you can order your own. Just the more advanced stuff going for SEMA. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Hopefully I figured out the electrical issue as far as my tilting steering wheel, even though it's not that big of a deal. Not really that worried about it, but I don't want to lead into other problems. We'll figure that out. Until then, stay savage.
Stay in the life of me.